How are you, my friend? This is Johnson from Myled. Today I'd like to introduce our P6.25 outdoor fixed installation LED display. This is the LED display. We are testing now. We're testing for 3 days or 72 hours. Now we can see the rear side. Panel size 1 meter by 1 meter. All cable go inside, invisible. This is the specification and mark. And this is the connector, the fast connector. Top and side. This is the handle, and we have the ring for more safe when we remove the modules from the front side or rear side. Here we can see there are 2 power supply inside. Each power supply is 400 volt, and we use the lower star LEDs and lower star receiving card. This is a connector, power connector, and the data connector. Thank you for your time. Bye.